Welcome back to my channel. It's me Siddhin Chung from Toronto, and today I'm going to show you how to change the bike tube if you have any kind of tool at home. Yesterday I went to the Uber and then my bike's flat tire. Somehow I make it to come back, and today I'm gonna change it, fix it, and then make it ready for the tomorrow ride again. I will show you the full process. So this is the tools you need: wrench and zip tie, and then kind of like a spoon kind of like a spoon here, the tip flat one, this one, this small wrench again. You need a knife. So this thing's gonna work. Okay, open this tube and then fix it. So I'm gonna show you everything. So first of all, we need to take it out this wire. So this is the electric wire, so which is connected with this motor hub. So you need to take it out this one. This is the lock from here. So you just unplug it and cut this zip tie. That's it, because this is the connected from here, from the main display and everything. So first of all, cut, what do you call this one, zip tie. Safely, do not cut the wire. So this one cut. Take it out here, you see, and then this one unplugged. You see, unplug it. Okay, so now you can take all the parts from here, from this part, unscrew everything. The next is you have to take this card, unscrew this one. Because if you don't take this out, you can't take it out the main screw from inside. Okay, this one is out. Take it out, this rubber. So now you can see the nut ball here and then other side. Holding like this. Use this wrench and set the, because sometimes when you unscrew it, the ball is spinning. The nut here. To stop the spinning, you just use use it one to the other side, this side. It stopped the spinning. Both the wrench spin opposite side. Okay, like this. So here. Okay. So here is the wheel. You see the flat tire? There's no air inside. I find nothing from outside. Okay, there's nothing inside. So I'm gonna check inside now. Okay. First I have to take it all the airs. You see, that's why I'm using this one, flat one. I mean the bread cutter. You see the bread cutter? Because I don't have tools to take this one out. I'm going to use this to take it out a little bit. So you have to do it slowly, otherwise it's gonna cut this tire. So you don't want to cut the tire. You see, you just do slowly like this one. It's coming out. I don't find anything yet, so I'm gonna check this everything. Okay. I don't know what happened to this tire. So take it out, this tube out. He's come out, you see. I don't know, this one looks good, you see. Still I have a little bit of air. I need to check something inside, if there is something inside or not. put your finger inside and then check it slowly. I found nothing inside here. I don't know why it's a flat tire. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna check this one now. No bubble. No bubble. No bubble. Oh, here you see, here. You see the bubble? This one. So what I have to do is oh, there's a little bit crack. You see, here's a little bit crack here. There is nothing here. Everything is perfect. And a little bit like an alignment with this spoke is made damage. I'm gonna show you here, okay? In this spot, there's a little bit space, you see? You see here? There's a little bit hole inside. This might cause a little bit damage to the tube. I have to cover this one by using something, you know. I'm gonna pull back everything up now. Okay, now you have done this one. Okay, where's the main hole here? Main hole is here. I have this new I don't know, this one looks small. I think this one is okay. Okay, let's start fix it up. To make sure that okay, it's set. So we'll set inside and then close this everything. Get it from the one side and then push it. Push it slowly like this, you see? All work. Then make it exercise a little bit like this. So then, let's go. Cover the tube. Ready. All goes in. Okay, everything's look perfect now. good. Now put all these screws back, and this one, this screws back. Screw it back again, this one, and then this one, cover it like this, okay, and then put this electric connection again. Just match this arrow here. You have an arrow here and an arrow here, so you just match the arrow. Okay, put it like this, and then get the zip tie, tie it up all the way tight, and then cut this. Okay, that's it, done. I'm gonna check the lights. So everything is done now, so I'm gonna flip it back and then put my battery and then see this is working properly or not. Okay. Flip it back. Right here. Battery. Okay, so guys, after half an hour, like almost half an hour, now this one is ready to run tomorrow. Okay, I hope you guys found something easy to fix your bike in your place if you know you have the tools and everything, because when you take it to the bike shops and the companies take too much charge, you know, so that's why it's easy to make it home, or if you have garage, it's much better. Okay, see you guys. See you next time. Bye bye. My hand is dirty, you see.